Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. And today I'm going to talk about something that every YouTuber has done this season. So this is about the Hot Pink sale, and there are certain things I ordered from the Hot Pink sale and I thought why not share it with you people. So in this sale I managed to focus on my skincare more than makeup because I've recently shot a video on makeup that I bought from Nykaa. If you haven't seen that yet, please go back and watch it. I'll link it down below. Moreover, I wanted to treat my skin this time, so I thought why not buy some skincare product. So this is the box that I received from Nykaa, and this has all the products that I ordered. I wasn't that patient this time guys. I literally opened it up and I've already used some of them. Just to give you a brief, this is not a detailed video where I'm gonna review products. I'm just gonna show it to you, and just in case if I have some views, I'm gonna add in there. So to start with, I have with myself Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 3% Toner Clarity Boost. I've been using this for about 2 to 3 days. This has done decent job, but before I come up with a full review, I will need some more time. Next up is a product from the brand Pilgrim. This is their 25% AHA, 2% BHA and 5% PHA peeling solution. So this is basically a replacement for a scrub. This is a solution that you apply on your face and that will remove all the dead skin and bring some clarity on your face. I have used this once and I felt it was kind of drying, so you have to go on with a lot of moisturizer. Next up is again something from the brand Pilgrim, and it is my absolute favorite. So that is their Secret of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Foaming Face Wash. This is an amazing face wash. This comes with this kind of a brush, and this is amazing guys. This is so smooth and makes my face feel so hydrated. It's just magical. I've been using it for about 5 to 6 weeks. I'm gonna come back with a detailed review later on. Next up is a sunscreen that I bought from the Derma. This is their 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. This is a good one. I mean, I have used it for once or twice. It does a good job. I mean, it has 50 SPF, which is really good, but when compared to a gel, I don't think this is a gel formulation. It's a creme based. Yes, the consistency is more like watery, but I would expect a little more when I'm paying so much for a sunscreen. Next up is the Pimple Patch from the brand Nykaa. This is called the Skin Secret Spot Patch. It contains tea tree and salicylic acid. If you're somebody who has acne on your face, you might want to take a patch and apply on your pimple, let it there for the overnight and then remove it. You will see a difference. Your pimples will actually dry out. As you can see, this pack is open. I've already used one of it and it really worked for me, so I think this is a good one. Next up is again something from the brand Pilgrim. This is their Salicylic and Glycolic Acid Anti-Acne Serum. This is again for all skin type. I have oily skin and I have acne prone skin, so I thought why not give it a try. But I feel it is a bit drying and you want to go on with a lot of moisturizer, so I do that, but I'm not going to use it on a daily basis. I might want to use it just once or twice in a week. Next up is something that I've seen YouTubers rant about, and that is this from L'Oreal Paris. This is their Revitalift Crystal. So this has a toner like consistency, and if you apply it before makeup, it really gives you such a good flawless look. I think this is such a good one to go for. I have ordered the mini bottle. This is like 22 ml, but very soon I'm gonna take the full bottle. Next up is the last product that I had to pay money for, and that is this hand cream from Swiss Beauty. This cream is amazing. You will love it once you apply. It is highly moisturizing and the smell is so good. I think when compared to extremely expensive hand creams that I have used in the past, I think this is just amazing. So now it's time to look at the freebies from Nykaa. So I'll start with a hair mask from Plum. This is a mini bottle which has 25 grams of hair mask, which contains avocado. I think this will be very nourishing. I have recently started liking products from Plum a lot and I cannot wait to try this. Next up is a shampoo from Nykaa. This is the onion and fenugreek shampoo. I think it is a very good one. I think I've used in the past. I'm not pretty sure, but I am very excited to use this one too. Next next one is a freebie from Pilgrim, and I've been using it for 5 days now, and no wonder I'm very soon gonna buy the full size. The retinol night cream from the brand Pilgrim is really good and it is helping my skin a lot. I definitely want to finish this up and try going on with the larger pack. Next up are 2 serum from the brand Pilgrim. I think very recently I started liking Pilgrim a lot. That is such a lovely brand. All the products, like literally all the products that I bought from Pilgrim or I've gotten in this kit, I have really started liking. I mean, these two are completely sealed pack, but one of this, which is the vitamin C serum, I've already used it. That I have, you know, in full size, so I'm aware how it works, and I'm really happy about how great products are from Pilgrim, and in no way this video is sponsored. So these are purely my views upon the usage of products. Next is 2% Hyaluronic Acid Hydration Super Serum. This has kiwi and watermelon, so I'm very excited to use it. I am kind of a person who likes, you know, fruity things. Well, with this, I come to an end to this video. I hope you guys have liked it. Just in case you want a detailed review of any of the products from this list, do not forget to comment them down below. If you have any other recommendation of videos, also let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, continue watching me and supporting me.